Here's a practical, advanced tips guide for expat Arabs using NordVPN, combining security, access, reliability, and regional troubleshooting so you get the most out of your VPN when living abroad or traveling in the Middle East, Europe, or beyond. 1. Install and set it up before you arrive. One common issue expats face is that Nord's website or login page can be blocked by local ISPs in some countries, example Saudi Arabia or Qatar. Some users report that they can't even open the login screen until they are already connected to another VPN. Pro tip: install the NordVPN app while you're still in a VPN-friendly location, example on holiday, before moving abroad. Log in at least once before travel, that avoids login blocks later. This way you avoid frustrating regional blocks just trying to get started. 2. Use strong privacy features that go beyond basic protection. NordVPN isn't just a tunnel, it has built-in capabilities that help expats protect themselves in more hostile networks. Key features include Threat Protection Pro. This blocks phishing, malware links, trackers, and ads, not just the VPN tunnel itself. Split tunneling: route only selected apps via VPN, example banking, while letting others use your normal connection. This saves bandwidth and improves performance. NordVPN supports this feature in its app. Auto connect and kill switch: make sure your real IP never leaks by default and if the connection drops. These advanced protections are especially useful for expats using public Wi-Fi, hotel networks, shared apartments, or workplace connections. 3. Choose the right servers and protocols for your region. Proximity matters * for speed and reliability. Pick servers closer to your current location or content region. For many expat Arabs in Europe or North America, EU, UK, and US, servers often give the best balance. Protocol selection * use NordLynx for most daily use. It's fast, secure, and efficient. If you encounter network blocks, example on restrictive hotels or public Wi-Fi, try OpenVPN, UDP/TCP, or obfuscated servers to bypass restrictions. NordVPN supports 6. Nord's interface makes it easy to switch protocols and test different server locations until you find the best one for your use case. 4. Secure banking, local services and identity. Expats often need secure access to online banking, government portals, or work accounts from foreign networks. Pro strategy: connect via a server in your home country when logging into local bank accounts / sensitive national ID services. Use dedicated IP. Reduce security flags on financial or corporate logins. This minimizes login challenges while preserving strong encryption. 5. Access geo-restricted content without hassle. Expats often want access to home country streaming, news, social media, or sports content. Tips for smooth access: connect to servers in the country region whose content you want, example Saudi/UAE for Gulf region content, US/UK for Netflix/Hulu. Refresh your DNS settings if regional content still doesn't load. Sometimes ISP caching interferes. Nord's global server network makes this type of access straightforward in most cases. Note: some platforms attempt to block VPN IPs. In that case, try connecting to a nearby country's server or a different protocol, NordLynx vs OpenVPN. 6. Prepare for local network restrictions. Some mobile carriers, hotel Wi-Fi, and ISP networks in the Middle East can block or throttle VPN access entirely. Users report situations where the NordVPN login fails until another VPN is used first. Advanced workaround: try a backup VPN connection temporarily, even a free one, just long enough to download and log into NordVPN, then switch back to Nord for your everyday use. 7. Use auto connect and scheduled protection for expats who rely heavily on secure connections, remote work, financial apps. NordVPN lets you auto-connect on Wi-Fi. Start VPN automatically when joining untrusted networks. Schedule protection trust settings, example auto-enable on mornings or evenings. This ensures you're always protected without having to remember to hit connect. 8. Monitor and manage threats continuously. Enable the Threat Protection Pro trademark feature for real-time blocking of malware, phishing, trackers, and ads, enhancing privacy beyond the VPN tunnel itself. This helps when living abroad where you might browse unfamiliar local websites or use local services that aren't as secure. 9. Install NordVPN on all devices you carry. Expats typically use multiple devices: phones, laptops, tablets, maybe even smart TVs. NordVPN lets you secure up to 10 devices under one account. Pro tip: always install the latest NordVPN from official app stores before travel. That avoids login problems in regions where the website might be blocked. 10. Leverage 24/7 support if you get stuck. Nord's 24/7 customer support can help with advanced issues like connections from restricted countries or specialized setup. If you see unusual behavior, like login pages being blocked locally, ask support for alternative domains, manual setup guides, or protocol recommendations. This combo keeps your data secure, your access flexible, and your internet experience smoother whether you're working, banking, streaming, or staying in touch with family back home.